Who doesn't love an honest road trip, right? Well, there's something special about hitting the road and freedom of going. But where you are go and however you are with, you would like to pack some car gadgets which will offer you a far better and safer drive experience. So in today's video, we have rounded with top 10 car accessories gadgets which will turn your road trip safe and make it unforgettable one. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Here at Trendy Lab is additional provide upcoming and innovative products ideas. Therefore, the viewers may realize new product. Our goal is to make a correct shopping guide in order that our viewers can make the best decision. A tire burst could potentially cause a car accident, and most of the time we will easily forget that our car tires got to be checked for the right pressure. That's why you ought to consider getting the Nonda Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, which has been developed to see the tabs automatically only for you. With advanced German sensor and accurate temp technology, it monitors the tire pressure, show leaks and temperature in real time. Besides, it offers a mobile companion app with which you shall get the info of your car tire accurately with non-miss. This device is so versatile which will be utilized in whichever car you drive, and since it are often self-installed, you easily install it during a rental car too. Overall, this smart tire monitor will certainly ensure your driving safety and therefore the use of perfectly operated tire. Road trips require planning and time, also a safety and emergency preparedness, and so as the passes all of your call essential for safety and peace of mind, you ought to have the Thrift Car Emergency Kit with you, which contains everything you need within the event of an emergency. This car kit packs 42 auto emergency supplies with 62 pieces of car kit, which can become handy once you face any driving hazard during a road trip. Among the things, it also possesses the 4 most essential jumper cables that are 8 feet long and made from a considerable 8-gauge wire constructed with top-of-the-line heavy-duty materials. This kit are going to be helpful even in cold winter temperature or rain. And beyond its basic purpose, it can even be useful when hiking and camping also. Overall, once you equip this car kit in your car, it shall become a staple for everyday car usage or anytime you travel on the road. Now let's check another car kit, which is the Tri-Light. This car kit is different from its previous one, includes 7 functions which will prevent your car becoming a hazard and save your life. During emergencies, you can't place your Tri-Light behind your broken down vehicle while activating the SOS mode to be easily noticeable. On top of that, it's got the jump starter which will begin your car and save the effort in emergency. Besides, it offers the power bank, a piece of light, magnetic light bars, and ambient light to tackle your trouble in the dark sides. Be it all, this car kit can turn your passive wake-up call into a proactive warning that would make a difference during emergency situations. When the doors of your car are blocked and there is no thanks to escape or reach those who are in real situations where every second matters, that's why you ought to have the Wind Bullet, which is the life-saving tool you want to need a quick response. This bullet-shaped tool may be a spring-loaded emergency window breaker which will deliver a strong strike onto the tungsten car by tip to simply break the car windows for emergency escape. With its direct impact technology and precision engineering, this tool is compact, powerful, effective in breaking tempered glass windows even underwater. So don't hesitate, just hold, press and break and make a difference in emergency. Say reviews to pit, odor and stink a car smell by using the Pergo, a chemical-free car air freshener that's made from natural materials and may effectively various odor particles. Made with 100% Bombo charcoal, this freshener is simply perfect and safe for you your kids, and also your pets. Besides, this freshener are often used for quick 365 days, which can drastically prevent time and money. Furthermore, once you are through with Pergo, its inner bamboo charcoal are often used as an upscale and natural fertilizer for your garden also. To something up, this air freshener are going to be an ideal complement for your car, and it shall definitely assist you remove bad odor effectively. Now you can get your car interior clean with one handy vacuum. Thanks to its powerful 14-volt lithium-ion battery, this handheld vacuum has powerful suction and a long runtime. Get your car upholstery clean with the motorized brush tool, specially designed to help remove embedded dirt and debris. It includes a specialty tool to clean the hard reach areas of your car, an LED crease tool to eliminate dark areas, and a flexible crease tool to get between seats, knobs and cranium. Next time you clean your car interior, make it easy for yourself. Get a Bezel Automat lithium-ion car vacuum. Do you ever communicate with other drivers with hand gesture or honking and shouting? Well, meet the Road Wave that shows message for other drivers and facilitate a safer environment on the road. Built around a bright pixel-dense 13-inch LED display, this message board can show text in high resolution that's visible to other drivers up to 50 feet away and through weather. It's a mobile companion app during which you shall connect with the Road Wave and share your message. Besides, you shall use it Wave Mode remote, which is programmed with 6 messages to share what your mind while remaining focused on the road. Overall, with Road Wavy, you shall turn your road rage into road respect and make a safer environment on the road. Earlier during this video, we have seen a sensible monitor that tracks your automobile tire. Now, what if your automobile tire ran flat within the middle of nowhere in the dark? That's why you ought to have the Ride Me Mojito, a sensible and portable tire inflator that's easy to use and can inflate your tire in a minute. With 4 smart modes and universal nozzles, it can deliver up to 15 psi force for inflating core tires, also as a bike tires, sport balls, and for more. On the highest, it's an alphanumeric display that's permit easy monitoring of atmospheric pressure during inflation. Besides, its auto stop feature prevent overinflating the tire, in order that you shall remain worry-free about your tire. Powered by a quick rechargeable 2600 mAh battery, you shall use it up to 6 times to pump your car tires. In short, you shall never regret having this handy little gadget on your dashboard, which can surely assist you in the time of need. There are times once we use our phones inappropriately while driving, which ends up in destruction and car crash with travel conclusions. So, make the simplest of your phone without taking your eyes off the road by using the IoT Wireless AutoSense Easy One Touch car charger. It features proximity sensor which detects the phone and automatically open or close the mount. As a result, it makes it suitable for using your mobile hands-free. On top of that, telescopic arm can extend up to 8 inches and pivots on the 225 degrees arc. Beside, this mount is Qi certified, meaning you shall charge your Qi-enabled smartphone without the effort of plugging it down. Overall, this wireless charger will offer you convenience and it shall assist you to be more focused once you are driving. Dusk, dark tunnels and foggy days will not be an impediment to drive your car. Introducing the Lan Moto West Pro, a car dash cam which will capture clear footage, fully color and high resolution even in the dark. Designed with a Sony CMOS sensor and 7-layer full glass, this dash cam can record full HD videos while supplying you with a transparent and crisp image even darkly. Besides, it offers a viewing distance up to 300 meters to supply you more responsive response time in order that you shall avoid accident. Its front camera features a 45-degree monitoring range and rear 170-degree viewing angle to offer you a transparent idea about your surrounding while parking. Its recording function goes beyond road safety by activating its parking mode. Both cameras will immediately start recording when its G-sensor detects collision, protecting your vehicle day and night. To chalk the chase with this dashcam, you feel safer in your day or night driving journeys due to its real-time recording and clear image quality. So that was our list of the highest 10 best car accessories and gadgets only for your safe road trips. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share together with your friends if you discover this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you would like more videos like this on your feed.